Hey and welcome. So, before I get to start with anything about the results today, I traded on two different brokers and we made some good money. But there are something very important. You can win $100 from me. Okay? So, just read below the video. There you find the rules how to be a part of this competition. So just read that. Or you can just see another video I will post below here also. That is about that competition. Okay? So, well, you'll see how it is. But before I do that, now I will show you the rest of the day, and we did pretty damn good. I traded live on two brokers today. So here you can see the trades I've done. You see 29, that's all trade today. We can push this heading here. And you can see I have a 66.67% win rate today. Little less than we normally have. Our average is 75, but we still made profit, $168 profit. So I'm satisfied with that. And on pocket option, we trade there also. People like me to reload. People don't believe that I have real account things. So okay, here we have done the same story, 67% win rate. And I made a profit of 134. Here I basically just traded for 15 minutes because no one did join my private session today. So if you join me, the link below the video, and you can join me and you can trade together with me and you can make money. You can make money on this one and you can make money on this broker, both these brokers. I trade both of them. So you can go here now, we can go to trading, we can go to quick trading, real account. Then we come here and you can push close it, and here you see the trades I did take in the time I was trading. So once again, if you want to join me, trade together with me, make sure you sign up with the first link that you find below the video. And if you want to be a part of the competition, just read the rules below the video and you are set to go to maybe win $100 for yourself. So have an amazing day and I hope I see you in the next live session.